Alright guys, today we're going to be installing the FMF exhaust. I've got the stock exhaust on it right now, and I'm going to put the FMF fatty pipe along with the shorty silencer that just came in today. This thing's kind of hard to find, but I got one. And I'll be doing a quick comparison of the stock exhaust, which I've had for about 30 hours, I think. Let's see, close to it, 28.3 hours on this. I've had no problems with the stock exhaust, but I just can't stand the matte black pipe. I just wanted something more, I don't know. I like the way the chrome pipe looks, but yeah. So I'll show you what the stock sounds like here in a minute. And I'm running a Maxima Caster 927 oil at 40 to 1. And I have the jetting it's leaner on the needle. I've got the leanest needle option that comes with this bike, and I have it on the first clip. I'm running, I believe, a 72 Pilot jet, and the main jet is stock. It's like 165, I think, but it runs great. And here's what it sounds like with the new exhaust and the old exhaust. So here we go. Guys, just briefly about the install. The only thing you have to take off really on the body is the seat, which is this 8mm bolt in the back number panel. So that's it. And then of course the bolts for the manifold and the silencer, but it's on. I also like to use high temp RTV silicone, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. Just put it around where the mating surface is between the silencer and the pipe, and it helps keep a better seal, and you don't put too much. So, and also if you have a little bit of spooge, it helps with that too. You can mess with jetting and stuff for that as well, but I mean, my jetting isn't completely perfect, but it runs damn great. But we're about to see. I'm gonna let it set just for a little bit for the silicone. It's supposed to cure in an hour, but I don't know if I can wait that long, man. This thing looks good. So I'll be back with you in probably about 20-30 minutes. All right, we're back. I don't have my boots on, but it's a 125, so whatever. Let's see if we can get it first kick with the new exhaust on here. That first kick was weak though. I already noticed a sound difference in the idle. Sounds a lot louder, I think. It's a little cold right now, but I think it sounds pretty good. Just put this on, so I got trash everywhere. It's a lot shorter. It's almost like, I mean, I would say it's probably 75% the length of the stock exhaust, but it takes off a good 3 inches right here, I think. Looks cleaner, sounds crispier too. Definitely a lot louder, but yeah, that's it. That's the FMF exhaust. I'm not gonna let it run too long because I got that silicone in the joint right here, but I like it. Thumbs up.